Something comes up that's on the dark side, dark sidelines of verification. How do you go about checking that it's okay to use it, and what influences you to use it?
This is exactly where traditional old-fashioned journalism comes in. You check it out, you compare it, you look at what you've seen on the dark side, and you compare it to what you know on the light side. And if it matches up and if it fits, then you make a judgment and you go with it. I mean, a good example of that might be how during the Tunisia story, there were a lot of tweets beginning to build up into a strong rumour that the Tunisian state broadcaster had started broadcasting anti-government lies. Now, I saw that and thought, gosh, if that's true, that's really quite interesting and quite significant because it is a key point in that story. So I took that piece of information and went to BBC Monitoring, who were monitoring all the TV output from the region. They were able to say that actually what had happened was for about half an hour, a couple of employees of that TV station had got a little bit overexcited in a question and answer session and were at that time being put on the government. However, the station, was continuing to broadcast a pro-government lie. So I was then able to go back into Twitter and say to a number of key people who were tweeting that rumour that actually this hadn't happened, and I was able to credit it to BBC Monitoring, which gave it an authority and an accountability that perhaps other tweets might not have had. Put that story, put that piece of information, put that rumour to bed, and then move on to the next important piece of information.